DJM TV. Team Delta wins Edo 2020 National Sports Festival. Hey fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. A very big welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news happening in Nigeria and all around the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, like and share this video. Now, straight up, let's take you to the news. The just concluded Edo 2020 National Sports Festival is the issue we're touchlighting today, the issue we're looking at today. Now, the Edo 2020, as the name implies, was supposed to hold in the year 2020, but because of the outbreak of COVID-19 and then the pandemic and then the lockdowns and everything, the sports festival was moved to 2021 with Edo State hosting the sports festival. Now, things were put in place. At first, it was looking like the sports festival may not hold because of so many issues, accommodation issues. They had problems with so many things, but it was fixed, and the National Sports Festival Edo 2020 held. After much games and sports and different things were done, Delta State emerged as the winner. Double winner, as you can, if you want to call it that way. Team Delta emerged as the winner of Edo 2020 National Sports Festival, and also they were handed over the flag as the next host of the National Sports Festival in 2022. The Edo State Governor Obaseki, congratulated Delta State for emerging as the overall champions and also retaining the title they won in Abuja in 2019. Now, this is not the first time Delta is winning the National Sports Festival. They've won it before, and they also come to Edo State to retain their title. He praised the effort of the state team, that Edo State that also finished second behind Delta State, and he said, okay, put up the good fight, continue, let the spirit go up. We'll trust that by the next sports festival, Edo State will win. Now, the Delta State Commissioner for Basic and Secondary Education, Dr. Patrick Uka, was the one who received the flag for hosting the National Sports Festival on behalf of Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, and a pledge that Delta State will host a remarkable National Sports Festival, just like what Edo State has done. He said, we will welcome you to Delta State with open arms. Mr. Nebelisa Anoke, the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Youth and Sports Development, who represented Chief Sunday Dare, the minister, congratulated Delta State for emerging the overall winners of the 20th edition of the National Sports Festival. He said, I am glad to know that the federal government received bids to host the 21st edition of the National Sports Festival in 2022 from 6 states, namely Ebonyi, Imo, Kaduna, Kano, Ogun, and Delta State. He said, following the evaluation of the bids and the physical visitation to the prospective state, Delta State was selected as the next host of the National Sports Festival. Now, Delta State emerged as the winner of the National Sports Festival Edo 2020 to retain their title with 158 gold medals, 116 silver medals, and 110 bronze medals. Edo State was a runner-up with 129 gold medals, 104 silver medals, 108 bronze medals, while Bayelsa State was third with 56 gold medals, 55 silver medals, and 58 bronze medals. Taraba State and Sokoto State were the two bottom teams with only 3 medals and 2 bronze medals to come out 37th and 36th respectively. Now, during the closing ceremony, Edo State, being the bubbling state, set up a very, very elaborate show to close the ceremony. As a matter of fact, the organizers of the Edo 2020 put up a show that will be remembered for a very long time. Two of the country's finest artists, Joe Boy and Tenny the Entertainer, were there, and they did some of their very popular songs that have become some people are used to the song. As a matter of fact, there was so much celebration at the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium on the closing night of the Edo 2020 National Sports Festival. Now, aside Delta, Edo, and Bayelsa, who came first, second, and third respectively, Rivers State came fourth with 33 gold medals, 34 silver medals, and 61 bronze medals. Lagos came fifth with 32 gold medals, 40 silver medals, 54 bronze medals. Oyo State came sixth with 31 gold medals, 30 silver medals, 42 bronze medals, while Akwa Ibom came seventh with 20 gold medals, 24 silver medals, and 44 bronze medals. Ogun State came eighth with 16 gold medals, 23 silver medals, and 39 bronze medals, while Kano State emerged the ninth with 11 gold medals, 22 silver medals, and 33 bronze medals. Imo State came out 10th with 10 gold medals, 13 silver medals, and 26 bronze medals. Now, from 11th to 20th positions, we have Abia State, Imo State, Cross River State, FCT, Ondo State, Anambra, Kwara, Nasarawa, Kaduna, and Bauchi State. From 21st to 36th positions, respectively, we have Niger State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Ekiti State, Borno State, Osun State, Gombe State, Zamfara State, Yobe State, Katsina, Kebbi, Kogi, Adamawa, Sokoto, Benue, and Taraba States, respectively. Jigawa State came at the bottom of the table with 0 medals won after 10 days of hot competition. A very big congratulations to Delta State for coming out tops in the National Sports Festival Edo 2020, hoping that they'll be able to put up something better than what Edo State did in this just concluded National Sports Festival Edo 2020. Now, this is why we come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. You can drop your comment in the comment section. What do you think? Will you think Delta State will make a good host or not? Drop your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like and to share this video. If you are new here, of course, and you've not subscribed, even if you are not new and you have not subscribed before, this is an opportunity. Just do so right now. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget that when you turn on the notification bell, we keep sending you messages whenever we post any new video on our channel. Also follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages. Do not forget to check out our website at www.djmtv.news. And you can also place your advert with us and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, until we come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, big congratulations to Delta State. Do not forget, my name remains Lauru Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.
Let's go. Mado.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM